Creating a lasting philanthropic legacy through a family office is a strategy that can leave a profound impact on future generations. If you're looking for ways to strategically grow your wealth while ensuring it benefits both your family and causes you care about, then this video is for you. Stay tuned till the end to learn how family offices can be a powerful tool to achieve this and why some of the wealthiest families use them for generational wealth. Before we dive into the details, I want to give you a quick tip. If you're serious about protecting your wealth over the next few weeks, click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to secure their financial future and diversify their portfolios. But now, let's get back to how you can use a family office to create a lasting philanthropic legacy. Family offices provide a private, highly tailored approach to managing the wealth of ultra-high net worth individuals and families. They give you the tools to not only protect your wealth, but also ensure it has an impact far beyond your lifetime. But what makes them so effective for philanthropy? First, family offices help structure your wealth in a way that prioritizes long-term goals. While traditional investment accounts can focus solely on returns, a family office integrates both wealth management and philanthropy, creating a unified plan for your assets. The key is to ensure your legacy lives on. This means dedicating portions of your portfolio to charitable causes and philanthropic efforts that align with your values. Instead of simply donating to a cause here and there, family offices provide the structure to create a true philanthropic plan. You can set up a foundation or a donor-advised fund that allows you to control the distribution of your wealth over time, even after you're gone. These vehicles help you support specific causes, whether it's education, healthcare, or social justice, all while keeping your family involved in the process. Additionally, these offices can also create an avenue for your family to get involved in giving. Involving younger generations in the decision-making process ensures that your values continue to be passed down, further solidifying the family's commitment to making a difference. It also teaches future generations about the importance of giving, not just financially, but with their time and knowledge. What's key here is the management aspect. Your family office will help ensure that your giving is tax efficient, strategic, and sustainable. They can also help you incorporate alternative investments like a gold IRA, which offers tax advantages, protection against inflation, and long-term growth potential. Gold IRAs are often an overlooked option, but they can make a significant difference when it comes to safeguarding wealth for future generations. Many other options may be available, such as charitable trusts or investment funds focused on socially responsible projects. But a family office offers a personalized strategy and oversight that can't be matched by standard investment accounts. It's the best of both worlds: asset protection and charitable giving. Now let me add one more important point. If you want to ensure that your wealth is truly protected, gold IRAs should be a part of your strategy. If you're considering starting or growing your family office, diversifying into precious metals is an essential part of safeguarding your legacy. A gold IRA can secure your wealth from market volatility, helping you stay on track with your philanthropic goals. For American retirees, especially those with $100K or more in an IRA or 401K, or even $5 million in savings, leveraging a family office in combination with a gold IRA is the ultimate wealth building and protection strategy. So, if you're ready to take action, don't wait. Click the link in the description to download the free guide and learn why thousands of Americans are taking advantage of gold IRAs to protect their wealth today. To sum it up, a family office offers you the structure, tools, and oversight you need to build a lasting legacy, while a gold IRA gives you the stability you need to ensure that legacy remains strong. Whether you're looking to secure your wealth or create a philanthropic impact, this strategy will help you do both. If you're serious about protecting your wealth and starting a legacy of giving, get the guide, and let's take the first step together toward a brighter future for you and your loved ones.